How to reset iPhone, factory reset iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can reset or factory reset your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Factory resetting means deleting all of the data of your iPhone just when, like the time when you first bought your device, right? So that's what factory reset means. If you want to do that, make sure you first of all back up any important data like photos or anything back to your iCloud or somewhere else, just somewhere safe, so that if you want you can restore them later. Open up settings and then just go to general, then simply scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then from here you can simply select erase all content and settings. Then after you go to erase all content and setting, you can just tap on the continue option, then just tap on erase iPhone. It will ask you for confirmation if you still have your Apple ID logged in, so you might want to turn off Find My or any of the other sort of verification. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.